Happy Thanksgiving. I'm Shannon Hayes from Sap Bush Hollow Farm, a three-generation family farm in upstate New York, dedicated to nourishing and restoring family, community, and planet. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to properly cook a pasture-raised Thanksgiving turkey.
If you're buying a pasture-raised turkey from a local farmer this Thanksgiving, thank you. Your choice helps to protect the land and the water, ensures that the animal you are eating had a good quality of life, and you're making a gift to your community by investing your food dollars back into your local economy. And in exchange for making this choice, you will reap great rewards. The recipe you're about to see is from my Grassfed Gourmet Cookbook, available online. You'll only need a few ingredients: 8 ounces of butter, an onion, 2 carrots, some herbs if they're available, a couple cloves of garlic, a small handful of salt, and a sprinkling of pepper. Cooking a pastured bird is actually easier than cooking a factory-farmed bird for 3 reasons. First, it has more flavor. That means that we'll put a few aromatics in the cavity of the bird, then drizzle the outside with butter, sprinkle it with salt and pepper, and we don't need to do anything else to add flavor to the meat, like boiling it in a vat of oil, incinerating it on a barbecue, or drowning it in expensive seasonings. Secondly, it's juicier. Your pasture-raised turkey isn't going to dry out like a factory-farmed bird. That means you don't need to subscribe to any lengthy brining techniques to reintroduce moisture to the meat. And finally, it cooks faster. Cooked the way I'm demonstrating, you only need to allow 8 to 10 minutes per pound when roasting these birds at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just going to prep these veggies and speed it up so you can see how it all goes together. After removing the giblets and the neck, we simply put these aromatics in the cavity of the bird. If you want to prepare stuffing, I recommend you cook it separately. Melt the butter over medium-low heat and then preheat your oven to 325 degrees. So that the butter adheres to the bird, make sure you pat it dry before you pour it over. Don't worry about getting butter under the surface of the skin. Pastured birds are amply juicy all on their own. Just pour the butter on top and let gravity do the work for you. Sprinkle a few tablespoons of coarse salt over the butter, then add some coarse ground pepper. Don't worry about measuring it, just do what looks tasty. I'm using an unrefined gray Irish sea salt here because I prefer to keep the chemicals out of my food, but really any coarse kosher or sea salt is going to do the trick. Remember, pastured birds cook fast, a lot faster than the factory-farmed turkeys. So roast your pasture-raised turkey at 325 degrees for only 8 to 10 minutes per pound. Your bird is finished when the internal temperature of the breast registers 165 degrees Fahrenheit. At that time, put it on the counter and let it rest for a few minutes while you get the rest of dinner ready.